What's he doing? He flying? Oh, there he is. That's the crow. Oh, I see him. Oh, yeah. For sure, red tail.
I just see a big
Wow.
bird.
You should try looking at him with this next time he comes.
He really wants this crow to move out.
Oh, oh wow. You see how he came up?
Yeah, but the question...
Oh my God. Look at this. Here, I'll do this. You look through there.
Where is he? Thanks for letting me look through these.
Oh yeah, you get a good view with those.
This is cool. You gotta videotape these more.
I am. Well, you don't see this every day.
Are you surprised he just keeps coming back and back?
I think it's...
I love these guys. There's the crow. You want to look through the bees? You should look at the balloons with these too. Oh, right over the house. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
He likes this spot.
Wow.
And are you taking video of this?
Yeah.
That guy is soaring effortlessly. Did you get his belly?
Yeah.
Here, can we switch cameras?
Hold on.
Have you got some good video?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a beautiful bird. Cool. They were fighting so hard. I think the hawk's trying to get a good advantage to get the crow. Oh, zoom in, zoom in. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
I think the hawk's trying to get the best angle to chase the crow out. Man, that's a nice bird. Definitely a red-tailed hawk.
Red tail.
Ready.
I'll do that again, all right?
Can you hover him like you were? Don't fly him in front of the sun.
All right, I'll fly him right at you. Ooh, hummingbird.
I'm getting this.
All right, here he comes.
Try hovering him over me.
All right, here, I'm gonna aim him right at you.
You can get a great video. Hannah?
Yeah. Nice loop.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Nice job, Nicolas.
Would this be good video?
I'm getting it all.
Wait, I'm coming in for landing. I just heard that hawk. Did you?
Nice landing. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is that him?
What? Where? Where? Ready?
And action.
Oh, I hope he doesn't not shooting me. Because this birdie is not a birdie. It's a planie. I'm flying circles around the moon.
I got it. I got it right by the going next to the moon.
How's this for video?
That was awesome. Keep doing that.
Get back.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Nice. Can't believe how fast. Look how fast he climbs. Awesome. It's almost, in some ways, it's almost easier to fly with the ailerons. Those crows away.
I'll try, but I don't want to land all the way over there.
All right.
They all got free.
They kind of freaked them out.
Did you video that?
Yeah.
There's one over here. Have you zoomed in?
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, do some just some flybys.
Did you get it?
Yeah. The light's not great, but it's okay.
So they put out borders for the dog to follow.
They put out flags, like a path.
But he won't have paths in the show, right?
You know, I don't know. I've never really heard of that before.
I'm flying faster than the crows. This could be a scarecrow on the way. How's that?
Good.
If I go even slower, would you get some good?
No, it's good. Perfect.